Hey, it's so tiny. Like I really expected it to be bigger than this. Like it looked big in pictures. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel, a product designer based in Lagos, Nigeria, who also loves to create and experiment. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing. I got a lot of stuff from Aliexpress and I wanted to unbox with you guys. Tech gadgets and some other random things too. You're going to see. So let's just get right into the video. So this is the first package that we're going to be unboxing. I'm just going to cut into it a bit so that I don't end up cutting it to the inside. I ordered and this is what I got. So the next thing is this extra set of keys that I ordered. This is what it looks like. This is what I ordered and this is what I got. So I ordered this extra set of keys from a mechanical keyboard, which I also just ordered. You're going to see later on in the video. And next thing, the set of rings. Guys, if you don't know, now you know. I actually do love like a lot of rings, so I ordered like a lot of different sets. Next up is this wig comb. So I'm planning to learn how to make wigs myself. Actually do know how to make one myself, so I just ordered that too. And this next package is phone holder. So this is what it looks like. This is what I ordered and this is what I got. So it opens up and you can also increase like the height, but it's actually smaller than I expected, and this part is soft. This next package is an ice maker. Another set of rings again. Please don't call me Lord of the Rings. But I really do like rings. For this next package, yes, this one I'm very excited about because it is my light. My LED lights. This has been like a long time coming. So this looks so flimsy though. I hope it works, yeah. So this is what the connection looks like, and there's like a part that you can scan. If you want me to do a video of me setting this up separately, let me know in the comments. So I'm going to be adding this to like my table, and this is what I sort of envisioned. This looks so fancy though. Then it has like two connectors, and that's what goes into this one. So for how many rows I got, okay, this is it on the pack. This is how many rows I got. It's 5 meters. For this next package, another set of rings. I know, right? Then for this next package, this one looks empty. Okay, so this is like my screw. I'm building like an overhead rig, so this I'm going to be using for it. This next package, I can already guess what is inside this package, which is my mechanical keyboard. Like, I can't believe I waited this long to unbox. Like, I've been so patient with trying to unbox this. So I got myself a mechanical keyboard, which is why I got those extra keys that you saw at the beginning of the video. So this is what the keyboard looks like. And I got like a red switch, and it's an RGB and a US. So this is like the key puller, and I absolutely love this braided cord. Like, I can't wait to try out. I'm also going to be doing like a separate video for this keyboard if you would like to know more about getting mechanical keyboards. This other package is a plant that I got, a snake plant, and it looks pretty much realistic. So this is what I ordered and this is what I got. This next package I can also guess, and it's also very exciting. This is a neon light for my wall.
and this is what it looks like. I also got it in the Good Vibes, and it also comes with a USB. Next package. This next package is most likely my clock. Oh, it's so small. It's smaller than I expected. That's a charger. Guys, it's so tiny. Like, it's really smaller than I expected. I didn't expect it to be this small. Like, it looks big in pictures, and they also have like space for batteries. Oh, this next package is magnetic eyelashes. I'm trying to learn how to get this done, so I guess this would be like a very good learning spot. How it works is that lashes have some magnets on them, and it just fits right wherever you put the eyeliner. This next package is an adapter from iPhone to AUX cable. I absolutely love the color, and again, braided cord. Onto the next package. This package is also a screw that I'm going to be using to set up my overhead rig, and I got two because I was not sure which one would work eventually. I can also guess what this next package is. This next package is my watch. I ordered a smartwatch. I'm also probably going to be doing another separate video for this one too. And this is what the watch looks like. It also comes with a wireless charger, and I also got 2 extra straps in silver and in black. And I also got another silicone strap in black.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about all the things that I got. Which is your favorite? Which would you like to have? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys, peace.